Hi, welcome to the channel Quick Math. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's get into session. Algebraic expressions. Today we are going to see how to multiply the monomials by a monomial, monomial by a binomial and monomial by a trinomial. Now let's start. So first we are going to see multiplication of monomial by a monomial. So here let us take some examples. Here I have taken the terms 7y and 6y. Here how many terms we have? Two terms. One is 7y, other one is 6y. Now what we have to do? We have to take the product of 7y and 6y. So which gives first, whenever you are doing, always write the numbers first. So 7 into 6 into then the variables into y into y. 7 6 how much? 42 y square. Next, see the next one. 12a into 12b. That means here what we have to do? We have to take the product of the 12a and 12b. As we already said, first write the terms 12a into 2b, which gives 12 into, first we are writing the numbers. So 12 into 2 into then variables a into b, which gives 12 2's 24. And a into b gives ab. Now let us see one more. 2x square y minus 3x square y, 4x square y cube. Now let us start doing the multiplication of these monomials. So 2x square y, first we are taking the product of all the terms into minus 3x square y into 4x square y cube. Now what we have to do? First we have to write all the numbers first and then the variables. So let's write the numbers 2 into 3. So 3 is having symbol minus. So get minus also. Minus 3 into 4 into x square y into x square y into x cube y cube. So we have to get all the variables also. Now start writing 2 into minus 3 into 4 into, here if you see the x is having exponents as 2 plus 2 plus 3. As the x is common, we are writing x and we are taking the powers, and pi cube plus 1 plus 1. That means, have you remembered, a power m into a power n gives a to the power of m plus n. So here we have applied the same formula. Minus 24 into x to the power of 7 into y to the power of 5. When you add, you will get 7. Next, we are going to see multiplying monomial by a binomial. Now let's see the terms 5a and 7 plus 5y plus 3. So now here we are applying the distributive property of multiplication. So what is the distributive property? Let's see now. A into b plus c gives a into b plus a into c. That means we have to multiply the term a with b and also by c. So now here take 5a into, we are taking the product of the terms, that is, yes, 5a and 7y plus 3. Now start 5a into 7y. So here we are following the distributive property. A into b, which gives 5a into 7y plus 5a into 3. That means we have to multiply both the terms in the expression by 5a. So first what we have to do? We have to write all the numbers in that group. So 5 into 7 into a into y. First numbers and then the variables. Now let's see for the next one, next group. Plus 5 into 3 into a. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply the numbers. 5 sevens gives 35. And a into y gives ay. Plus 5 threes gives 15. And a. So as there is no common terms, we will write that 35ay plus 15a is our product when we take 5a and 7y plus 3 multiplication. Now let's see one more example. Here I have taken the terms minus 3mn and 4m square plus 2n square. Now here also we have to apply the distributive property of multiplication. So a into b plus c gives a into b plus a into c. So here you have to multiply the a with all the terms in the expression. So minus 3mn into, first we are multiplying by, yes, 4m square plus 2n square. So take the expression and start doing multiplication. So first here we are taking a into b. That means minus 3mn into 4m square. So here a represents minus 3mn and b represents 4m square. Next plus again b a into c, minus 3mn into 2n square. So now what we have to do? We have to take the product of the numbers. So before doing the product, what we have to do? We have to write all the numbers first and then the variables. So minus 3 into 4 into m, n into m square. So now again take plus, and here also numbers minus 3 into 2 into mn into n square. So here what we have to do? While you are having the powers of the variables, we have to add it. So minus 3 into 4 gives minus 12 into m to the power of 2 plus 1, because m is having 2 plus 1 as the exponents, into n, plus minus 3 into 2 gives minus 6 into m n to the power of 3 or n cube, n square plus 1, which gives n cube. So let us see now. So minus 12 into m to the power of 2 plus 1 gives m to the power of 3 into n gives n. So minus 12 m cube n plus minus 6 m n to the power of 2 plus 1 gives n to the power of 3, minus 6 m to the power of 3, n to the power of 3. So minus 12 m cube n plus into minus gives minus. So minus 6 m n cube is our result. Now let us see by multiplying a monomial by trinomial. Here also we have to take the first term and we have to multiply those with the expression. So 2y into, so we are taking now the product of the two expressions. So 2v into 3u plus 4v minus 6. So next start doing. So 2v into 3u. So first we are multiplying the first term by the first term. So 2v into 3u plus 2v into 4v plus 2v into minus 6. Minus 6. Now, what we have to do? We have to write all the numbers in the group first. So, 2 into 3 into v into u plus 2 into 4 into v into v plus 2 into minus 6. So here what we are doing? We are writing all the numbers first into v. So now what we have to do? Multiply 2 3's gives 6 u plus 2/4 8, and here we are having 2, so v to the power of 2 plus 2 into minus 6 gives minus 12. As we said, plus into minus gives minus 12 into v. So 6u plus 8v square minus 12v is our result. Minus 12v. So already we said plus into minus gives the result as minus. So that's why we have taken minus 12. Now let us see with one more example. Here also we are multiplying a term, a monomial by a trinomial. So what we have to do now? Start multiplying the term a into 2a square minus 7a plus 3. So always the first term must be multiply all the three terms. So a into 2a square plus a into minus 7a plus a into 3. So first write the numbers. So 2 into and then the variables. A to the power of 2, and here we have one more a plus 1. So a to the power of 2 into a. Next minus 7 into a plus a into 3 or 3 into a. So first we are writing the numbers, so take 3 into a. Now 2, as there is no other number, 2, a to the power of 2 plus 1 gives a to the power of 3 plus of minus 7, a to the power of 1 plus a to the power of 1, which gives a square or a to the power of 2 plus 3 into a gives 3 into a gives 3a. So next we will see in the next step. 2a cube minus 7a square plus 3a is our result. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you want me to teach in the next session and which concept. Thank you.